It's day 30 something. I don't know what day it is. It's our one before last full day.
No.
We're in Busch Gardens.
Yeah.
So we've come down to Busch Gardens and we're going to check that out. We're going to do the rides, we're going to see the animals, and we're just going to have a fun day.
Yeah. A non-Disney few hours, which is weird, but we can do that.
Yeah. There you go, look at that. Chilling out in the water. All the alligators just hanging out. That one there got a turtle on his back. Chimpanzees right at the back. There we go, more of a close-up.
Just hanging around, baby.
Just me and my buddy.
Just aping around.
All the little penguins. Hey, buddy. Should we do the train? Yeah. Do the rhino. Did you enjoy your train ride?
Yeah, it was nice. It's for animals.
It was good. I enjoyed that. You pillar. Right. So we've done a bunch of animals. Should we go do some roller coasters? Yeah. Right. So let's start with Cobra's Curse, and then we can do Montu after.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah. No.
Let's get on. You ready, baby?
I'm ready.
You are mine. There is no escape from the Cobra's curse.
That was good, that was. Do you want to do that again?
Yeah.
Let's do that again. Right, should we do Montu? Yes. In the Egypt land. Apparently we go upside down 7 times.
7 times.
Montu was good.
That was a good ride, yeah.
I very much enjoyed that. As much fun as I remember as a child.
Yeah.
But so we've done those both a couple of times. We're going to go do, what is it, Pantopia next?
Yes.
We're just going to make our way around the park, do the roller coasters. We've had to leave our bag in a locker. Same deal as SeaWorld.
Yep.
$2, 2 hours. Let's see what we can get round. And if we have to extend it, we have to extend it.
I have my poncho to the rapids.
Yeah, it's a shame that one's down. But next time. So you got African chichlid, however you say that, and hippopotamus in there apparently. Lots of fishes. I see no hippopotamus, but I see a big ass crocodile. Look at the size of him. I mean, he looks tiny with the water. Look at that. That's massive. We're gonna see lions right over there, yeah. We're gonna see lions right over there, yeah. We're gonna see lions right over there, yeah. Adjacent to Nairobi station. He's moving. He didn't like my singing. I'm not that bad, am I, mate? Look at the size of him. Alright, mate. The size of his balls. They're almost as big as mine. He's had enough, he sent the missus.
Yeah.
It's feeding time for the hyenas. We're having a good munch. The keeper's gone and they're like, don't leave, give me food. Those birds are brave, aren't they? This porcupine here, what a prick. Just chilling out in his dinner, minding his own business. That's a massive prick. Hey buddy, coming out of your little hole. Coming out his little hidey hole. Look, he's looking at one market, now he's looking at another market. Let's see how they compare. Where's Oleg? Baby Oleg. Size of him. Having a munch. Now that is a fat ass.
Thank you and enjoy your day.
So after a small detour to the lions, hyenas and elephants, we're at Pantopia. You ready for more roller coasters?
Yeah, I'm an old man roller coaster.
First stop in this area, Falcon's Fury. Look how tall that is. Claire doesn't want to do it, you don't want to do it?
No, I'm dropping out of that one.
I'll do it myself then.
Final thoughts?
Pray for me.
Bye!
Oh, that's grimy. It was easy! I feel like we should just call it a day after that one. You know, finish on a high and all of that. Next up, scorpion. You ready for this one?
That's not this. And that's another one.
Should we find out? Fourth one? That was more like a carnival ride with how that tosses you about. I felt like I was going to come out. Should we do Sand Serpent after that bone rattler?
Oh, hurtful bit loud to this. Hang on.
Oh,
Oh, that hurts so bad.
well that was fun.
Is that what it was?
Apparently that was fun. Yeah, that looks loads better. Should we do this one? That looks loads better. Kumba then, Kumba. That was rubbish. So rubbish. We're gonna do it again. They don't look that wet. You're not that wet.
Yeah.
Are you ready to get wet? You've got a poncho, clever girl. Clever girl. Do you want to go see some tigers next? You've seen some lions. Do you want to see some tigers? Well, if you want to see some tigers, you need to come this way. Into the tiger trail. There he is, just chilling out. Relaxing. So I've come in the tiger viewing area and I don't see no tiger. But you have some geckos. Well, you kind of got to see him. So, should we try the orangutans instead and see if we have any better luck there? He don't like us, he knew we were coming, so he's decided to sell her. How rude, baby. How rude. I'm all zoned in. How rude. Did you know if you crossbreed an orangutan with a person, you get an orangutan? Yeah, look at that. You ready for it? You ready for another roller coaster? Here they come. You ready? Whoa! That was no warning. Oh! Whoa! What the fuck? Oh my god! Whoa! 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 Oh, what the hell was that? What was that?
Congratulations, you conquered Tigris.
That was genuinely.
Please unbuckle and lift
That genuinely took me aback. Wow, can we go again?
I know.
Whoa, here we go! No warning! Here we go again! Oh, that's horrible! That was genuinely probably one of the best rides of the entire holiday.
Yeah.
That was out of nowhere.
That was ridiculous.
Very short, but that was fantastic.
That was short and I don't know what to say sweet, but it's such a compact little ride. But it just...
Yeah.
And you're just all kinds of angles you're not supposed to be.
And there's no warning either.
Yeah, none of that. It's just forwards, backwards, twisting you upside down, holding
That's
you out
like
of your chair.
that's the RC ride at Toy Story Land in Disneyland Paris on meth and steroids and every other enhancement drug on the planet. There we go. Up they go. Listen for the screams.
I think that doesn't feel good.
Probably a controversial opinion. Well, if that was longer, I'd say that's better than Velocicoaster.
As I say, like you said, for intensity.
Yeah. It's short, it's fast, and for the time that you're on it, it's genuinely the best ride we've been on.
I think it's mind-bending.
Yeah.
You don't know what way you are, what way you're supposed to be going.
Well, we've got one more left to do. Let's go and do Sheikra. Oh wow, that's high.
Don't mind.
It's too late to get off now. Oh wow. Look at that! Ready, head back! Yes! Oh, that's not so bad. Whoa! Oh. How are you feeling after that, baby? A little dishevelled?
Apparently so, yes.
Look like you've been dragged through a bush, me as well. That was good though, wasn't it?
That was a good ride. I wasn't a fan going up and I'd very much changed my mind. But
It was good. But that's it, we're all done now.
we're all done. Seen all the animals?
Done all the roller coasters. Busch Gardens, completed it, mate.